Do you know what are these? The right image shows how grandmother Bonnie is seeing the corner of her garden with red flowers. Bonnie has age-related macular degeneration, and all the images she is seeing have a black spot in the center, so that she cannot see the faces of people when she is looking straight to them. The image on the left shows how the neighbor John is seeing the same corner with flowers in Bonnie garden. John is a young man with high myopia, wearing strong glasses all the time, who was told by his doctor that he got a break in his retina and retinal detachment, and in a few days will have operation to fix the retina. People like John, who develop retinal detachment, start to see like a black curtain covering their eye, blocking the vision. If the operation is not done quickly, the vision may be affected forever. So these images show how patients with eye conditions are seeing the same field of flowers. Like these two patients, you may also need to see an optician or eye doctor for your eye problems, or simply to get new glasses. When you go in the eye specialist office, they will do many tests with complicated devices to see what is your problem, to establish the diagnosis, and tell you what is the best solution to your problem. If you want to know more about these eye tests in the eye clinic or optician's office, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Narcisa Yanopol, and in this video I want to present to you the second volume called Explain Eye Exam Results from my collection of courses Explain Me Simply that I prepared for people like you. I am an eye doctor and surgeon and also clinical researcher in ophthalmology. I was trained and practiced for 28 years in Romania, Germany, United Kingdom, and United States of America. Though I am supra-specialized in the medical retina, vitreoretinal surgery, and ocular trauma, I also worked all these years in all the other subspecialties in ophthalmology like general ophthalmology, acute clinics, glaucoma clinics, cataract, neuro-ophthalmology clinics, etc. I believe that clear explanations to all the patients from the eye clinics and optics offices about what we are doing when we examine the eye before establishing the diagnosis and best treatment are very important for all people, whether they are patients with eye conditions or just simply need a test for glasses for near vision. Some tests are more complex with some risks for general health, others have no risk. Some people want to know what to expect to happen to them in the eye clinic before they actually have the appointment. Other people may land in busy clinics when the time is so short and they will not have complete explanations before their eye procedures for examination. That is why I prepared for you this collection of mini courses called Explain Me Simply, designed to educate and empower patients with ocular problems, but also healthy people, before or after they see an eye doctor or optometrist. No volume of these courses, including this volume 2 about eye exam results, will not replace your eye specialist explanations that I encourage you to take and request more explanations from them if needed, but my course will help you to understand better the eye examinations that will be performed for you when you go in the eye clinics or offices. I publish these courses online rather than in the old classic paperback fashion in order to be accessible everywhere in the world to all people interested to learn and to get empowered by knowledge. Don't be afraid. Everything is very simple and you can access these courses by only clicking the link in the description below this video. The link will take you to the Volume 2 Explain Eye Exam Results. But on my website, you can also learn more about me, my mission, and you can also find all the other courses designed to educate all people about the eyes. You can purchase each course separately, and after purchasing the course, you can print one copy on paper for your use, or you can save it on your computer. The collection has 5 volumes. If you buy 4 volumes, any of them, you will get the 5th one for free to have the complete collection. You only have to send me an email to narcisa.yanopol2021@gmail.com from your email address that you used to purchase the 4 volumes, and then I will send you the link for the free copy of the 5th volume. Or you may purchase directly the package of all 5 volumes of the collection Explain Me Simply that has the reduced price of 4 volumes but gives you the access to all 5. Before we start, I would like to advise once again that all courses from the collection Explain Me Simply, including Volume 2 Explain Eye Exam Results, are designed and published for education only. They do not offer any medical advice for anybody. For more information about these disclosures and purpose of this teaching activity, please read the chapter Disclosures and Agreement, Privacy Policy of the website iStory with Narcisa at the link in the description below. These courses do not represent an invitation to be taken as an example for any other healthcare professionals or teaching faculty. If you want to use any part of this presentation for your own presentations, you can either purchase the PowerPoint presentation as a separate product, or you can contact me on my email narcisa.yanopol2021@gmail.com with an email entitled Request for Copyrighted Materials, and I will provide you separately the pictures that you need with an additional fee. You still need to provide to your audience the source of my publications in the way I will provide to you in our further correspondence. All my courses are already parts of my personal publications and are subject to copyright. By purchasing this course, you only got the right to use one copy of the whole material for your personal use. And finally, all my courses, including this one, do not pretend to be complete. They are based on my personal trainings, experience, and work in eye clinics from Romania, United Kingdom, and United States of America. For patients, these courses cover the basic information that you need to know to understand your own doctor explanations. My courses do not replace your doctor explanations adapted to your eye problem or condition. For healthcare providers and educators from all over the world, if you choose to purchase the PowerPoint presentation or the images to use them for your own presentation to your students, you need to sign an agreement, including in that separate package, that you understand the purpose of these materials authored by myself, Dr. Narcisa Yanopol. If you are teaching faculty or healthcare providers and have chosen to purchase the PowerPoint presentation, you will be requested to sign the agreement that you choose to use my presentations or part of it for your students or own patients, and it is your decision for which you take the entire responsibility. In this volume about the eye examinations, you will learn what are the basic eye examinations in the eye clinics and offices in the year 2022 at the highest level of performance in the Western countries from Europe and United States of America. I prepared the course in a way to be accessible for everyone and practical. Even if you may not be seen in Western highly specialized eye clinics, there are standards and basic techniques for examination of patients nowadays that are done in all the eye clinics for the diagnosis and treatment of ocular conditions. Otherwise, these conditions cannot be identified and cannot be treated. Do not worry. The course will not spend time with complex examinations that are done just rarely for isolated cases, but will focus on the main procedures for diagnosis in the regular daily life. At the first visit in the eye clinic, in the opticians and optometrist offices, in the pediatric clinics with children, in the medical retina clinics treating patients with intraocular injections for the retina, or in the eye clinics before eye surgeries. Click the link in the description below, access the course on my website, and purchase the course. You will learn many things that are not realistically possible to be detailed so much in the daily life by your doctors, but this course will help you to understand better your doctor explanation and to be prepared for their exam. You will learn in this course what would happen to you if you go in a modern optometrist or optician office in 2022 to have prescribed or renewed your glasses. You will also learn simple ways in which you can detect if your child has vision problems, and then what would happen in the eye clinic if you take your kid to be seen by an eye specialist. If you want to learn about all of this, access the course materials by clicking the link in the description below. If you or your loved ones have conditions like age-related macular degeneration, retinal vein occlusions, etc., you will learn in this course what are the basic examinations that you will have for diagnosis and treatment in the eye clinics, plus many more other information. This course will teach you about the standard of care and examinations done in the eye clinics nowadays for patients with glaucoma. This is a condition leading to blindness, and all over the world, the eye specialists take major precautions to treat the patients correctly and in time to reduce the visual loss, so that the diagnosis and investigations are very important. Whether you or loved ones need eye surgery like cataract surgery or operations on the back of the eye called vitreoretinal surgery, there is a special protocol respected in all the eye clinics at this time before the surgery. This course will teach you what to expect if you have such visits for such surgical procedures. All the courses from the collection Explain Me Simply, including this Volume 2, are available in written text PDF format and also video format on my website, so that they will serve all people, including patients with visual disability or hearing impairment. So now, I invite you to take the mini course, Explain Eye Exam Results. It has everything you need to know about basic eye examinations techniques and methods before you see your own eye doctor. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to know when I will publish more video like this about new materials for education and research. If you want to learn more about the other volumes from the collection of courses for patients Explain Me Simply, see the next video about each of them in this playlist. See you on my website for taking the course or on my next video. God bless.